A gun attack on a taxi has left two individuals dead, including the driver. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. A gun attack and a taxi in St. Andrew has left two men dead and a woman and her child hospitalized with injuries. The group of passengers were on board a taxi which came under heavy gunfire around 8:30 p.m. yesterday morning in Hillary Avenue off Reddy Hills Road in St. Andrew. The driver of the taxi was killed along with a man who was traveling in the front passenger seat of the vehicle. Their identities have not yet been ascertained up to the publication of this report. Residents reported hearing loud explosions and summoned the police. Both victims were found slumped over the front of the vehicle. The investigations are now ongoing. The roadway was cordoned off and traffic diverted from the area as the police processed the scene. Links007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Continuing the news. Wanted man captured in the Cayman Islands. A man who was being pursued by the Giant Anti-Gang Task Force was recently captured in the Cayman Islands following a joint operation between Royal Cayman Police and the Jamaican Law Enforcement on Friday. Rudolph Shaw, otherwise called Boxer, was previously pursued in Jamaica by the Anti-Gang Task Force and other police units, but he managed to elude capture before leaving the island by boat. After pursuing several lines of investigations, into addition to boosting the public awareness through social media publication, information was revealed that Shaw was held in the Cayman Islands. Shaw is wanted in connection with multiple murders and several shootings committed in the St. Catherine area. Links007 TV will continue to track these stories and provide you with more information to comment them. Thanks for watching.